Hello everyone, I am Durga Devi P from the Department of Computer Science Engineering Cybersecurity. I am a first year student. Now we're gonna see about searching algorithm. In the searching algorithm, we have two types of searching, that is linear search and binary search. Now we're gonna see about linear search. First, let's move on to the definition of linear search. The definition: it sequentially scans each element in a list until it finds the target value, returning its index if it's present in it. If the element searching is not present in the list, means it will be returning a value -1. On considering the disadvantage of this linear search, it will be more slower on handling with large data sets as due to its time complexity. First, let's move on to the example, real-time example of where we are using linear search. If I am going to a library, means I want to find a book with yellow color, means I will be implementing linear search in it. How it is possible means I will be searching each book with the color until I found my yellow color book. I will start with the first book, that is in red color. I will be comparing my search element with the element present at the first position. I will be comparing. Yellow is matches with red. No, it's not matched. Then I will move on to the next element, that is brown is matched with yellow. Next it's not matched. Next I will move on to the next element. Yellow is matches with blue. No, it's not matching. Likewise, it will be keep on moving until my target value is found. Here I will be finding my target value, that is my yellow color book at the position 5. Then it will return the position of the book, that is 5. For this case, I will be just picking my book and move on. We will be move on to the deep concept in this. For that, I am considering a list with element 3, 6, 5, 4, 7 and 8. If my finding element is 5, I will be comparing each element in the list and then finding the position of the 5. It starts with the position 0, that's the element 3. I will be comparing like 5 equal to 3. No, it's not true. Then it will be move on to the next element, that's 5 equal to 6. It's also false. Next it will be move on to the next element, 5 equal to 4. It's also false. Next it will be move on to the next element, 5 equal to 5. Now I found out my target value. So here it will be returning me the index position of the element where I found my target value. That's it will be returning like 3, the position where I found my target value 5. We have another special case, that's if my finding value is 9, but my list here is 3, 6, 4, 5, 7 and 8. Here the finding value is not present in my list, so it will be returning me as -1, indicating that the element searching is not present in the list we are searching. We will be move on a Python program of searching, of implementing linear search. The question we get is write a program to search the item in a list one by one from start to end to find the match. Here's the question we have got. We start with defining a function, user defined function with the name linear search with the arguments, that is the parameters array, n, k. I am defining the variable array as a list, and n is the length of the list, and k is the value, the element I am going to find. Inside the function, I am defining a loop, that is for I in range of 0, n. Here the loop starts with 0 and ends on to the length of the list. inside the loop I am defining a condition if with the array of I equal to k, it will be checking like array of I, that's the value equal to my finding value or not. If this satisfies means I will be getting the position of the element where I found my searching element, or else I am defining a default value -1. Here's where the program starts with, that's the variable array, that's the list I am getting from the user with the function evolve of input of. Next I have to get the element what going to find, no, so I'm this also I'm getting from the user with the variable k with the function evolve of input of. Next I am finding the length of the list. For that I am assigning a variable n with a function len of array of. After getting the list from the user and the finding element from the user, after finding the length of the list, I am going to sort the list by using sort of function, array dot sort of. After this I am calling the function with a variable res is equal to linear search of array comma n comma k. After this I am using a condition if inside this I am defining that res equal to -1. If my result equal to -1, that after performing these operation, if my answer will be returning as -1 means I will be comparing my result equal to -1. If this satisfies means I will be getting my answer as the list what we have get from the user, and with the print statement element not found. If this satisfied, this situation not occur means if I found my searching element in the list means I will be getting this type of output, that's the list from the user will be printing, and after that it will print like element found at index with the index position where we have found the element. We will see the solution, that's a problem that we have tested here. This is the list we have got from the user, that is 1, 8, 7, 9 and 10. First it will be sorting it in ascending order, then it will be performing linear search in it. My searching value is 7. It will be starts with here, that is the 0 position, it will be start. It will be compare 1 equal to my finding value or not. The finding value is 7, it will be comparing with it. It's not mean it will move on to the next element. 7 equal to 7. Here the condition satisfies, so it will be returning like 1. We have entered a print statement element found at index. Now it will be printing the print statement with the position where we have found our finding value. We have also entered entered a default condition, no, for if the element is not found in the list means it will be returning element not found. For that condition we have a test case, that is the list containing 9, 10, 8, 7, 6. It will be first sorting it in ascending order, but my searching value is 20. It is not present in this list, so it will be returning like element not found. This is how we have done linear search so far. Thank you all. Hope all understand the concept of linear search. Thank you.